माथुरीं गोष्ठवाटीं राधाकुण्डं गिरिवरमोहो राधिका माधवासां प्राप्तजस्य प्रथितकृपया श्रीगुरु तं नतोऽस्मि। श्रीचैतन्यं मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति सपदान्तिकम्। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पति भुवीश गोपिकाकांत राधाकांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। पदाब्जस्तविना वरदास्यमेव नन्नात् कदापि समे किल देवी जाचे सखाय तुमो नमस्तु नमस्तु नित्यं दास्यायते मम रसस्तु रसस्तु सत्यम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. So internationally offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakar Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Muslim Vaishnavis, and especially here also Param Pujapad, Srila Bhakti Vedanta Sajjan Maharaj, Ramchandra Prabhu, and so Bhakti Vedanta Bhagavat Maharaj, and also Dhir Krishna Prabhu, and also all senior devotees. So just I want to speak few words. I have no qualification to speak, but there is very so kind, and she also give me chance to speak few words about the glories of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. Just we heard Srila Narottam Das Thakur, he also quoted one verse in the Pranam Mantra of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. Sri Chaitanyam Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jano Bhutale Swayam Rupaha Kada Majjang Dadati Sapadantikam. I hope all you know this verse. Just I speak few words. Rupa Goswami Pad, who fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And when Rupa Goswami Pad will give shelter in his lotus feet. This is our desire and aim and object also, these things. Not other than this. Narottam Das Thakur, very humble, he also expressed his heart. Why Rupa Goswami Pad? He fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because he received the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told that I gave all my treasure of heart to Rup. When Rup, he met with me, Prayag. Very clearly explained this way. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was dancing, singing in front of Lord Jagannath, and he recited the verse of one mundane poet, that is Sahitya Darpan, that slok, Ja Kaumara Hara, these slokas. Completely what? Mundane things also. And everybody's mind completely disturbed. But Sarup Damodar, very pleased. And Sarup Damodar again and again, same parallel one Bengali verse, he recited, Saita Paranata Painu, Jaha Lagi, Madone Dahane Jhurigen. After long separation, I am now meeting with my Kipij, my beloved Krishna. Or my heart completely what? Intoxicated with the divine love. Sarup Damodar again and again recited this verse. Our Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so happy and dancing and singing. But that year, accidentally, Rupa Goswami Pad, he came. And Rupa Goswami Pad, he realized the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called the combined form of divine couple Radha and Krishna. This is true. Yes. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu most of the time absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. Apana ke Radha bhave rahe anukhan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was thinking, I am Radha. And now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. So Sarup Damodar, he realized these things. No one realized the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But next morning, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met with Haridas Thakur in the Siddha Bakul, and that time Rupa Goswami Pad, he was not in there. Just Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, then Rupa Goswami Pad, he is just taking bath in the ocean, and he saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the cottage of Haridas Thakur. Then Rupa Goswami Pad, he paid his obeisances to Lotus Feet Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. At same time, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw very nice, beautiful handwriting on paper. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu read this paper, Priyo so ayam Krishna sahachari kurukshetre melita. This slok, very beautiful this slok, this. Mahaprabhu, when read this slok, Mahaprabhu's heart completely overjoyed. Then Mahaprabhu asked to Rupa Goswami Pad, you wrote this verse? Rupa Goswami Pad, very humble. And just he, what is called? Sir ko jhukaya. Nodded his head. Then Mahaprabhu very pleased and clapping on his back. Then Mahaprabhu asked to Sarup Damodar, how did he know about my heart? Last night I was dancing and singing. I recited one mundane poet, Sahitya Darpan, these slokas, completely mundane thing. But how did he know and he also realized these things? That means when Srimati Radhika met with Krishna in Kurukshetra, and Srimati Radhika, she expressed her heart and told to Krishna, Priyo so ayam Krishna sahachari Kurukshetre melita. Hey Krishna, you are same Krishna, I am same Radha. Both we are meeting together, but same mood is not manifested. Why? Because your form is different. Your mood also different. In Vrindavan, you are Dhir Lalita Nayak, very nice, beautiful three-band fold, peacock feather on your turban. And you always keep the flute on your hand, very smiling face. Or here in Kurukshetra, your form, Raj Vesh. royal dress, this thing also. And all kinds of people also, and your associates are different there also. Many kings, they are coming and so salute you. This is the thing. And many chariots also coming, going, and the wheels of chariot making the sound, grr, 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 this is that. But in Vrindavan, how is beautiful this place is there. And the bank of Jamuna, very nice, beautiful place. Nirjan Kutir, very nice, beautiful, solitary place. And peacock, peahen, they are dancing, singing, cuckoo birds are singing very nicely. You are no cuckoo bird. Huh? This is the peacock. Okay. Peacock, very nice. So peacock, cuckoo birds are how they are singing this. And beside the gopis are there. This is difference in this. So please come back Vrindavan, then I will be happy. Actually, this is the purport about these words. Sarup Damodar told, Ite jani rupir kripa hoyi ache tumhare. So for this regard, I realize Rup Goswami Pad received your mercy. This is true. Iswarer kripale hoyto jahare Iswar tattva se janibare pare. Pathadi deva padambujada prasad resano gritam evo hi janati tattang bhagwan mahimno na channo eko opi chiran vichinran. Brahmastuti. This regard, Goswami Pad is a very near to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Kavi Karnapur also glorified about Purva Goswami Pad, also Presa Sarupe, Daita Sarupe, Prema Sarupe. This verse also explains this. Very nice, beautiful explanation. But one thing is that in this verse explained Sakya Bhav and Parakya Bhav. Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, everywhere Sakyatva Bhav is there. There means relationship between wife and husband. But in Golok Vrindavan, that place is Parakyatva Bhav, Paramamodiya. In this material world, which thing is very best? A transcendental world, that thing is called lowest. And in this material world, which thing is very lowest? A transcendental world, that thing is called highest. In this material world, everybody respect which mood? Sakya mood. Sakya bhav, because this katha is coming. Sakya bhav. Wife and husband, this mode everybody loves. But in transcendental Guru Vrindavan, that mood is Sakya mood, not so much honorable. But in Parakya Bhav, topmost, this is the main thing. जो जय जो जल रस सर्व रस सार पारकिया भवे जथा वैकुंठ दिन ही जे सब रसेर प्रचार सही सब पीड़ा आमी करिब जाते लोके হয় चमत्कार वैकुंठ अयोध्या द्वारका मुद्रा not परकेत्व भाव not Parabrahma only Golok Vrindavan especially in Vrindavan then there is Parakyatva Bhav. And this Parakyatva Bhav only manifested in the heart of the devotees. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he wants how this Parakyatva Bhav will be manifested in his material. And people, they realize this thing. Anugrahaya bhaktanam manusam dehamasitam bhajati tatsra pira jasutva tatparo bhavaya. Srimad Srimad Bhagavatam gives the details. This Paraketta Bhav completely, absolutely plain manifesting Golok Vrindavan. Our gopis, they also serve Krishna with their parable mood. This is very important. For this regard, this Shastra says, he says, Jadi Gauranga Naito, Tabe ki hoito, Kemone Dharitam de, Radhar Mahima, Premara Sima, Javate Janata Ke. If Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would not appear in this material world, who can know the highest mode of Srimati Radha? Lord, limit the flame of Srimati Radha. Madhanakha Mahabhav. When we discuss this Katha, this way, Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajanakriya, Anarthaviti, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, this sadhana. Then Bhav, Vipashakti, Marsh. Then Prem, coming this way. After Prem, Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Urag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Udhivura, Mohan, and Modan and Madanakha Mahabhav. So Madanakha Bhav, Sarvini Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika means Premer Sar Bhav, Bhaver Sar Mahabhav. Or Mahabhav Sarupini Radha Thakurani. Srimati Radhika is called the embodiment of Madanakha Mahabhav. This way, this way. In this material world, people they have no idea what is the praying. What is the meaning of praying? Atmendra Prativancha Karimalikam, Krishnendra Prativancha Dharim Primonam. Gopis, they completely surrender to Krishna. They absolutely offer everything to Krishna. For this regard, they control to Krishna. For this regard, their prem is called Samartharati. The queens of Daraga Sakya Bhav. Their prem also divided with their children and with their husband. For this regard, their prem is called Samanjasarati. Or in Mathura, Gupja's prem, that is called Sadharani Rati. So I will just explain this types of highest prem only manifest in Golok Vrindavan. This is so Rupa Goswami path. He fulfilled all these desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Even how will attend this, that means sadhan, and I will get also siddhi. Sadhan means sadha vastu prakti nahi. Without sadhan, no one can attain this perfection goal. This is true. Without sadhan, how will get? So Rupa Goswami path explained step by step, general sadhak, how to perform bhajan and sadhak, attain the highest praise also. This thing. So Rupa Goswami path, he explained all these things in his Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Grantha and also Ujjal Vimini Grantha. Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Vritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, then Bhav, then this is the sequence how to attain our perfection goal. But then Rupa Goswami path again also explained the Madhurya Varsinga Rath. This is very confidential. For this regard, Rupa Goswami path is separately explained all these Singaras Katha in his unprecedented book, Ujjal Vimini Grantha. And different categories of explained Nag Prakaram, Naika Prakaram, Shahid Prakaram. In this way, explain this in this way. And prem also have this way. Prem and faith, that is called two things. One is called Viprambha and is called Milan, Sambhog. Separation and meeting also. These things are very nicely explained in this way, step by step this way. Because Rupa Goswami path, he realized this thing. This is our aim object, how to attain our perfection goal. But one thing is, now it is sadhan and sadhu, but how to test these things? Another question is coming. So for this regard, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain this way. That if you want to test this rasa sadhan, then come to Raghunath Das Goswami. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, he collect all kinds of ingredients of rasa. And one sthai bhav, fixed mood is coming, and then 8 Ashtatik Vikar, and Brahmancha Kampasu Vivarna, etc. Are there 7 Gaunaras? And Gaunaras, that is called secondary rasa. Asa Udbud Korunbi Vivatsa, this way. How many now? 16. 1 plus 7 plus 8, 16, and then 33 types of vegetable sansari. Then we will this way all the ingredients. Now coming 49 types of ingredients. But everything is dependent on the style. That is samagri misale hoita rasala. Chetan Chaitanya Krishna's Kalivad explain this one. Chari samagri, vibhav, anubhav, sattvic and vegeta. This 4 ingredients but coming in the platform of style. Then this rasa is coming this way. Then you can take test. Gurudev give an example. And if you want to make very nice,
रहने में दिक्कत तो नहीं हुई।
49 types of ingredients coming in this. But in this also one proportion. This also explained this way. So Srila Raghunath Das Goswami in all his grantha explain how they get this proportion. This way. Water coming, also sugar get, and you also get also some lemon juice, also salt, and what is called kapur, camphor. All the ingredients is come, but if I will not know how the proportion mix together, then make the very nice, beautiful dish. So for the Raghunath Das Goswami in his grantha very nicely also explains all these things. For they are saying this way, Rup Raghunath Pade Prabhu Mor As Prarthana Kare Sada. So not Das Thakur very humbly explain this way, how they mix all these ingredients and you can take test these things. And this is very important. And especially Srila Rupa Goswami Pad in his grantha explain how to start with Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Muni. If all our Vaishnava Acharyas, they are only one aim object, start to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Sri Rupa Muni. Even Narottam Das Thakur sang this song, Kave Loka Natha Mori Sange Laya Jabe Sirupero Pada Padme More Samarpive Hano Kiyo Ive Mora Narma Sakhi Kane Anugata Narottame Korive Sasane. Very nice, beautiful this one. Narottam Das Thakur very humble he say, where my Gurudev Raghunath Das Goswami is called Mandulali. He will break to the lotus feet of Rupa Goswami Rupa Manjari. Then Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari, he also offered to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And then I can start to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. This is our Gaudiya Vaishnavas called this Rupanugatta Bhajan. Rupanugatta Bhajan. And couple days we are listening different Vaishnavas. They also explain this way. Raganuga and Rupanuga. All Raganugas, they are called
They are not
No, they are not Rupanuga. Are all Raganuga.
All Rupanugas are.
They are all, they are all Rupanugas. They are called Raganuga. So our aim object these things, not only the Raganuga, how to become Rupanuga. Rupanugattamai Bhajan. This is our aim object. And how completely, absolutely surrender to the feet of Rupa Goswami. But our acharyas also explain in our sadhana stage, need Rupa Goswami. Rupa Goswami will give mercy to us. We can sadhana this way. But Siddhi Dasha, then we realize how to serve Krishna Devadika under the guidance of Rupa Mandir. Then sometimes Vishnu will explain. If we surrender to Rupa Goswami path, then we can also send to Rupa Manjari. But if we only surrender to Rupa Manjari, maybe we not serve to Rupa Goswami. So our aim and object is how to serve to Rupa Goswami path, Rupanugata Bhajan. And step by step attain this our perfection goal is just like also. And what Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, when you are taking the name of Rupanuga Acharya, then first name is Kami, then Sri Raghunath Das Goswami and Sri Jiva Goswami father. So Raghunath Das Goswami, and in his beloved Pushpanjali, he also very nicely glorified about Rupa Manjari. And Tam Rupa Manjari, Shakhi Patita Puri Usmin, Pungsa Prasya Vadanam Nahi Pasatiti, Bimbadhare Khatam Managata, Bhartikaya, Jatte Vidhasitim, Tat Sukahunga Vinam. Very nice, beautiful. These slokas. How Raghunath Das Goswami, here Rati Manjari, to glorify to Rupa Manjari. Gurudev also saying, many times Gurudev told, we also glorified our Guru's Pranam Mantra, many mantras that he said. But in the Vilap Kusmanjali, this slok, how Raghunath Das Goswami glorified about Rupa Manjari. Tam Rupa Manjari Patita Pure Sukosmin. Very nice, beautiful. They are loving. And they are called quarrel or loving. Love and what is called? The Hasparihas. And joke. Tam Rupa Manjari Sakhi Patita Pure Asmin. Hey Rupa Manjari, I know. Few days your husband is not in your house. But or you are very chaste lady, you will never come out from your house and never you will see the sun also there. You always cover your face with the long veil. So, but now I am looking one also very nice, beautiful spot marks on your lips. That is coming this this marks on your lips. Then maybe one big parrot came and parrot saw your lotus lips are very beautiful as like the seed of the plum. So for they regard that the parrot must be also touch your lips, and for this regard this mark is coming. This way it comes. This types of they are laughing and joking this way. Actual this katha is Gurudev will explain. Also Rati Manjari this also much in there. Because this Manjaris means is they completely surrendered to Srimati Radhika. That is called Radha Nishta Sakhis. Just you heard Srimati Radhika, 3 types of Sakhis also there. One is called Radha Nishta Sakhi, another is called Bhai Nishta Sakhi, and another is called Krishna Nishta Sakhis. Krishna Nishta Sakhi, that is called Vrindavarika Nishta. They are called Krishna Nishta Sakhi. Ubhai Nishta, both, they love both, they are Nishta both with Srimati Radhika and Sri Krishna. That is called Pastor Sakhis, also they are called also Ubhai Nishta. Sometimes they also independently meet with Krishna. But those are Radha Nishtha Sakhis, one pointed with Srimati Radhika, Sapana Opi. In even their dream, they never to meet with Krishna also. What will say to others? Vrindavan Mahimamritam Sloka. This very clearly explained in this way. So Manjari's Mursi of one pointed with Srimati Radhika, Radha Nishtha Sakhis this way. And another thing is this Manjari Bhavul Las Roti inside the Sarva Bhav Udgam Rasul Las. Many things, ingredients inside in the heart. So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. When Krishna touched to Srimati Radhika's any innocent body, and automatically all these things reflected in the heart of the Manjaris. So they did again also explain there are 5 types of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. They are Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Krishna Sakhi, and Pran Krishna Sakhi. Nitya Sakhi and Pran Sakhi, actually they are called Manjaris Bhav. They are known as called Tattva Bhavichani. For this regard, this explain this way. So in Braj, there is one is Samandhatmika and another is called Kamatmika. Last night, very nicely also explained this way. And Subharu Siddham, Nanda Jasoda, they also serve to Krishna. And with Samand, even in Tarikapuri, Rukmini Saptabhama, the queens of Darga, they also serve to Krishna with their Samandha, wife and husband, Sakyatavadi. So Samandha Atmika, they are called Samandha Atmika. And another is called Kamatmika. They are come in transcendental divine love. Remaiva Goparamana, Kamaiva Mittavidhyate. Gopis come, that's called transcendental divine love. That's called transcendental divine lust also there. So Gopis, there is called the Kamatmika Bhakti. And again Kamatmika Bhakti divided into one is called Tattat Bhavichatmika and called Sambhog Ichamika. Sambhog Ichamika Bhakti independently, sometimes Lalita Vishakha they meet with Krishna. Especially in Sulan Jatra, when he used to go Nandagaon, very close to Nandagaon, there one place that is called Lalita Kunda. There's a very nice, beautiful also Jhulan places, there swimming places there. So that will also Gurudev sometimes explain how Lalita Devi sometimes she also seated with Krishna and also swimming in this katha also explained is Jhula Jhule Lalita Damodar Vrindavan. Narad Rishi, he very nicely explained this way, this Leela Katha is there also. So that means Lalita Vishaka, sometimes they also independently meet with Krishna. But these are Manjaris, as Tattat Bhavisya Manjari, they will never independently meet with Krishna. Even Shastra also explained the Vrindavan, Mahimamrita and other Grantha also explained this way. Sometimes Srimati Radhika, she take test, pariksha. This Manjari, they want Pandit with me or not. Sometimes Srimati Radhika, she said, hey Sakhis, Manjari, go to this Bagicha, garden, and also collect some flowers. So that Manjari, she is going and collecting flowers. And when Krishna coming and Srimati Radhika, she also said to Krishna, hey Krishna, you should go and meet with this my Manjari. So Krishna when coming and you meet with this Manjari and also using very nice sweet words. Hey Manjari, you meet with me. And that time they are saying, no, impossible. But sometimes Krishna also, sometimes also Krishna also pulls the cloth of sari of Manjari. Then Manjari become very angry and also crying and loudly called out to Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika, she says to Krishna, they are going to touch the body of Manjari. In this way, Manjari is how they are one Pandit with Krishna. This is also explained in our Shastra. Manjari means this way, they are only one Radha, that is called Radha Nishtha Sakhi. So these Nitya Sakhi and Pran Sakhi, they are called Manjari Bhavis. So this is our object or without. So for this regard, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, he fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And also Parakipta Bhav and praise in this way. But how to praise these things? Harinam Sankirtan. In this Kali Yuga, there are no any classes to realize all these things. Even Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained this way. Nam Sankirtan, in this Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan. And Chetu Darpana Marjanam Bhava Maha Davagani Nirvana. Sreya Kaiva Chandrika Vidaranam Vidyapurvam Kaivanam Anandamudi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purnamita Sadhanam Sarva Atma Snapanam Param Vijayate Krishna Sankirtanam Nam Sankirtan. Without chanting holy names, this thing will not never realize in our heart. This is our aim and object. And even chanting holy names and associated with sadhu, Rasik sadhu, they will manifest. For this regards, Raghunath Das Goswami concluded, Anaradha Radha Padam Jarenu Anasrita Binda Padavi Padanga Asambhas Tadbhav Gambhira Chittam Utasam Sindhu Rasa Savaga. Utasam Sindhu Rasa Savaga. Sam Sindhu is Sam Rush, there's a Sringaras, Sam Rush. Sam Sringaras iti Vishnu Devata. Sringaras, if submerged in Sringaras, Braj Parakya Rush, especially Madhuri Bhav, have to just follow the three principles. One point is with Srimati Radhika and have to stay, second, have to stay in Vrindavan. But Vrindavan is in many places where we stay. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained, Radha Adhipatta Vrindavanam Vasam Mamastu Me. Radha Adhipatta, that place completely dominated by Srimati Radhika. There is Radha Adhipatta Vrindavanam Vasam Mamastu. But which place is Radha Adhipatta Vrindavan room? That's called Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda. So Goswami Pad start Upadeshamrita Vacha Begam, then he end Radha Kunda. So Radha Kunda is our object because Radha Kunda is not Srimati Radhika. And Chandravali's party never to come that place. Even sometimes, even Jatila, Kutila, they cannot go enter that place also. Only Radha Bhakta go. যে জন্য সেজন যেভাবে সেভাবে থাকে আমি তো রাধিকার পক্ষপাতী সদা হ্যাঁ কখনো আমি তো রাধিকার পক্ষপাতী হ্যাঁ in the verse explain who is parting bhajan and sadhana difference but my mood is that only one pointed with Srimati Radhika or whose an opposite mood of Srimati Radhika I will not say I will not turn my face towards him. So Radha Paksha and also one point is Srimati Radhika and third point is that is called Bhakta Sangha Sada Rasavila Prema Katha Je Kare Se Pai and always associated high class exalted Rashik Vaishnav and this Rajlila Katha Madhuri Bancha Bhutta You give me so much chance and also opportunity. I have no words to speak to you. Thank you. You are very
So,